All right, I'm wrapping up a gazebo project, and I bought these lanterns on Amazon. I just want to show them to you. They're solar. They have a 5-year life. Tonight I'm going to test them out, and I'll add to this video before I post it. But I think it looks pretty good. There's 3 modes on this. But what I want is mode 3, which I have to figure out how to get into it tonight. But mode 3 actually will turn them on when it gets dark and turn them off when it runs out of battery or when it gets light out. But that's what I'm looking for. I don't want motion back here because this is kind of our hangout area. But that's about it. So I will add to this video tonight and see if I can figure out how to get it into what they call mode 3. Take care. Okay, I promised I would come out after the lights came on here to finish up the initial video that I did. I'll just give you a showdown on how these actually look. Gives a decent amount of light, along with this table lamp light here. And then we can light the yard up. This kind of makes a nice little effect here in the pool area. And that's the finish up of the gazebo project with the lanterns on them. I want to thank everybody for watching, and appreciate the time you take. Bye-bye.